Hi everyone, this is Ashwin. In this video, we are going to solve the problem HackerRank in a string. We see that a string contains the word HackerRank if a subsequence of its character spell the word HackerRank. For example, if string HackerRank, it does contain HackerRank, but this string does not. In the second case, the second R is missing. So here the R is missing. If we reorder the first string as HackerRank, it no longer contains the subsequence due to ordering. Like they are rearranging the characters. Because of the ordering, we can form the string HackerRank. More formally, these are the index of the HackerRank, and if it's follow the order, then yes contains HackerRank. For each query, print yes on a new line if the string contains HackerRank, otherwise print no. We need to keep track of the characters in the original string. If the characters match the string order of a HackerRank and contains every character in it, means we need to print yes, otherwise we need to print no. Okay, let's see the constraints. Here the queries can go up to 100 and the string length can go up to 10 to the power of 4. Okay, that's a reasonable length, but we can still solve the problem in order of n. Here we have two test cases. In the first case, we can form the string HackerRank. Here the first character is there and the rest of the characters is not matching. Here HackerRank, and the last from A to K, it matches the string. So if we leave those, means if we can form the string HackerRank. Here the string is not matching, so we have written no. Let's see some other input. Okay, this is a long string. The first string contains HackerRank and the second string does not. So we printed the appropriate answers. Now let's solve the problem. First, we will define the target string, that is target equals HackerRank. Next, we need to find the length of the target. N equals length of target. Initialize I equals 0 to keep track of the target. Now we go for the main logic. Iterate each character from the original string. For character in yes, check for the condition if character equals target of I. If the current character matches the target character, we need to increment I to go for the next character and check whether I reaches the end. If I equals n, that means we have found the string HackerRank in the string yes. So we will return yes. If the whole loop runs and still we didn't return anything, means the original string does not contain the word HackerRank. So we need to return no. Just a little overview. We are iterating each character from the original string and checking if it matches with the target string. If it matches, we are incrementing the index of the target. If the target index reaches the end, it means it contains the string HackerRank. So we will return yes. If the whole operation fails, we will return no. That's the whole logic of the program. Let's run it. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. That's it guys, we solved the problem. If this video is helpful to you, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for future videos. See you guys in the next video.